Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn about the marketplace within HighLevel. So with that being said, let's hop into it. Okay, so back in this particular video, I want to talk about the marketplace a little bit. There are a few little options here for you if you feel they're necessary for you or you really are wanting to take advantage of HighLevel's own programmers and service providers, so to speak. So GHL setup services, customized GHL platform to the fullest with the variety of helpful services. Again, GHL stands for GoHighLevel because that's their domain, GoHighLevel. They often refer to GHL still because many of their long-term compatriots are fans of that naming convention, GHL. I like just calling it HL or HighLevel. Since the real business logo is HighLevel and that's really the business name. So that's why I refer to it that way. But you might often hear it called GoHighLevel or GHL. So don't get confused if you are new to this and you are wondering what the two differences are. Hopefully I explained that pretty well. But anyway, here under Advanced Account Setup says grow your business by maximizing the GHL platform with help from our team. It's $1,000. If I click View More, it explains it's done with you. If you're ready to scale your business, grow without the added stress or burnout, our advanced account setup service can help you focus and hit the ground running. Have an expert walk you through and teach you how to grow and scale your business, ensuring the use of GHL at its fullest. Building out your GHL account with you, work more productively and efficiently with best practices and training for you and your team to help gain knowledge on the software and become a pro in no time. We know there is much to learn when building and learn and build when signing up. Let our consultants guide you on your path to success. Advanced account setup, 5 one-hour consulting sessions within a month of purchase software with high-level experts, software only, dedicated high-level agency growth advisor, done with you, build out of a fully functional or functioning client location and a business location account, high-level led team teaching software knowledge and navigation, software best practices, recorded calls of all sessions, personalized business process documentation, snapshot creation of built account, guided migration assistance, and other software integration as applicable. It's $1,000. Okay, basically what I'm giving you right here in this training, in this HighLevel masterclass, and these videos you're watching right now is basically this: advanced account setup done with you for free for just signing up for HighLevel through me versus signing up for HighLevel through someone else. So I hope you can find the value in that and hope you understand you don't necessarily need this. I'm just showing you what is offered. And if you do feel that my training has not been sufficient for you and you need more expertise or more help, or you want their professionals to do stuff for you, feel free to sign up for this if you so choose, okay? But I don't think you'll need it, and I don't recommend it, but it is there for you. The next thing is the white label mobile. Work smarter, not harder with the tailored app and zap for your business. So we have the white label mobile app, standalone above the rest of the tailored app for your business. It's $497 a month. Again, unless you have numerous clients and you're doing very well, and those clients would benefit and appreciate having the white label mobile app, it's not worth investing in, but I do want to show it to you. So I click on view more on that. Let's see what it says. Interested in offering mobile app service to your clients, but are unsure how to do all the technical setup? Let our experienced and talented team help your agency and your clients. Available for both Apple and Android integrations, our apps will give you your clients exactly what you need to run the business without all the extra fluff. Simple, clean, and user-friendly with your brand and information. Add your business information, hours, location, appointment scheduling capabilities, and even live chat feature. Don't lose out to the competition by not offering app capability for your business. Okay, monthly updates, custom branded mobile app for Android and iOS, $497 a month. Again, only if your client's willing to pay the fee for that app would I get that app. Otherwise, I would pass. This one says white label mobile iOS and Android app, which is pretty much the same as this one, but it's $1,491 for the quarter, right? So this saves you a little bit more money by committing to paying quarterly versus paying monthly. And I believe it's exactly the same thing. So if we click into it, it's just quarterly updates, and you're waiving this $4.97 setup fee, and you're paying per quarter. So you're saving a bit of money if you're going to commit to doing it. Then we have the white label Zap. Instantly connect the GHL platform to increase productivity and automate your business. I used to love Zapier, but I found their pricing went way too high. So I've moved over to Pabbly, PABBLY.com. And once you're inside of my particular setup here in HighLevel, like you can see on the left-hand side, I actually have a link to Pabbly, the Zapier clone, right? So it's much, much cheaper. In fact, you can do everything that their $200 or $300 plan has at Zapier for like $20 a month. And it's very intuitive and connects to just about everything exactly the same way. So you should definitely look into that. But the white label Zap here, which again I don't recommend, but I just want to explain it to you, I want to show it to you, allows you to instantly connect HighLevel with 3,000 plus apps to automate your work and find productivity superpowers. Let our experienced team create a Zap with your agency branding, syncing more leads to your white labeled HighLevel account in no time. So I'm really not sure what the benefit of having a white label Zap is over just connecting to Zapier and using it, or Pabbly, right? But you can see it's $50 a month. And then it says suggested retail price of $75. So I don't really know what the angle is on that, but it is there. And then we have Eliza. Don't let leads fall through the cracks. Allow Eliza to capture them all, right? And so I click into this. It says Eliza is built to help agencies solve 3 significant components: answering leads for their clients quickly, allowing agencies to create a scalable process to nurture leads, help streamline the booking flow. Your clients should be closing leads, not chats. Let Eliza agent platform help you do the job seamlessly. Eliza is not just another messaging platform. It is meant to serve as a human rollover system, customizable to your use case. Whether you want to book appointments or just respond to the leads, the FAQ setup and agent configuration will help you work smarter, not harder. The Eliza platform is meant for agencies that want to offer it to their own customer base within their GHL agency account. This platform cannot be resold. Notes: you need to bring your own agents. Does not offer bots or conversations. If you're looking for conversational appointment booking bot, it is available in our Pro plan. I think it's also available in the agency plan, but I am not 100% certain on that. Setup fee is normally $2,500, normally $1,000. Yep, they waived it for $0, which is sweet. Don't miss out on this fall sale. So I don't know how long this will be good for. You may watch this video down the road and this is no longer a $0 setup fee. I don't know. Shop now and take advantage of this amazing deal. Monthly subscription fee is $500 a month for up to 5 Eliza login accounts for your agents, or $99 per month for additional agent account. Unlimited sub-accounts within the agency account 12-month agreement. Not sure what that really means, because I think you get that by default. So this is something too that I wouldn't even entertain until you absolutely felt the need to do something about all the leads getting overwhelming for you or your clients or whatever the case may be, and then look into this. And I would speak with them about it and get all your questions answered before I even considered just signing up blindly to it. Okay, just do your due diligence and understand what it all involves, what you really need. Like I said here with the notes, it says you need to bring your own agents. That's a big red flag for me, because that means you have to have agents, or you have to have appointment setters or something like that. And when they refer to agents, I think that's what they mean. But you want to get clarification on that. You want to make sure you fully understand what this all entails and involves before going ahead and signing up for it. So this is the marketplace, what they have to offer right here. And then, of course, if you have any questions about any of this, you can always click to speak with us, and it will let you set up basically a Zoom call with them to talk to them about any of this stuff. All right, so that's what the marketplace is. Hopefully I did a good job explaining it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.